Struggling to lose weight and keep it off? You're in the right place. Welcome to our 100 Weight Loss Tips series, your ultimate guide to shedding pounds and staying fit. If you haven't watched previous videos in the series, check out the link in the description so you don't miss any game-changing tips. In this video, we're diving into even more powerful strategies to help you burn fat, stay motivated, and reach your goals faster. Let's get started. Tip 73. You can walk anywhere if you have time. If work or the grocery store is not far away, consider walking there or riding a bike. It may take you longer, but you're getting your workout in at the same time. Tip 74. Hide the remote control from yourself. Remote controls are also evil when it comes to losing weight. If you didn't have a remote, you may not even turn on the television, which means you might find more active things to do. Get up and change the channel if you don't have a remote, or go for a walk instead of watching TV. Tip 75. Do your own fetching. If you need something from the kitchen, the TV channel changed, the mail or newspaper from the driveway, walk and get it yourself. Adding a little walking to your day will do wonders for you. Tip 76. Walk along or climb the escalator with it, or just take the stairs. Tip 77. Walk around during commercial breaks, or do simple exercises like crunches or bending over and touching your toes. Do anything to get your body moving more and to keep your blood pumping. Tip 78. Turn on some music and dance. Again, the more you get moving, the better you will feel and the more weight you will lose. Tip 79. If you take public transportation, get off a block before you stop and walk the remainder of the way. This is a good way to squeeze in a walk before and after work or on the way to another destination. Tip 80. Do pelvic gyrations to get your midsection in shape. Of course, you wouldn't do these with anybody around, but they are a good step in getting your body prepared for more serious stomach crunches. It is also good on the back muscles and keeps you loose instead of tight. Tip 81. Suck in your stomach when you walk. Walk properly, but do your best to keep that stomach tucked in. You will soon begin to feel those muscles tightening. Tip 82. Do breathing exercises to tone your midsection. It is amazing how breathing properly and with your entire diaphragm can actually help to tighten your abdominal muscles. Most people breathe way too shallow as it is, and oxygen is good for the brain. Tip 83. Experiment with yoga. Yoga is a great way to lose weight and reduce your stress levels. Yoga teaches you how to control your muscles and gain more control of your individual muscles groups. Tip 84. Lift weights. Strength training burns more fat than people give it credit. When you work on building muscle, they begin to burn fat to fuel muscle's growth. Do be aware that when you gain muscle, your scale may not be an accurate tool in determining weight loss because muscle weighs more than fat. Tip 85. Massage your partner. You can exert yourself a little bit and at the same time, you will be able to compliment them on the weight they have lost if they have been working out with you. Tip 86. Take the stairs 2 at a time instead of 1 at a time. This causes you to have to exert yourself more and increases your heart rate. Tip 87. Take your dog on a walk. Chances are that if you're not getting enough exercise, neither is your pet. Or let your dog take you on a walk. For once in his life, let him lead you where he wants to go and as fast as he wants to get there. It could be a good workout for the both of you. Tip 88. Join a dancing class. This could be ballroom dancing where you learn dances like the tango, salsa, or foxtrot. These dances are fast-paced and will get you moving. Even slow ballroom dancing is a lot of exercise and will definitely tone your legs. Or you can take an aerobic dance class. How many dancers do you know that are overweight? Tip 89. Lean against the wall so that your face is close and then use your hands to push your body away. Do this 3 or 4 times to stretch. Tip 90. Swim whenever you can. Swimming is a great way to get your cardio exercise, and it's low to no impact on your joints, which is great for people who have osteoporosis or joint problems. Tip 91. Try playing tennis or basketball. Playing games are a great way to get into shape. It's also more fun to work out with someone else in a competitive atmosphere. You will be more driven to push yourself and you'll burn more calories. Just don't overdo it. Tip 92. Always start your workout with a warm-up of about 5 to 10 minutes and end with a cool down of 5 to 10 minutes. Your body needs to reach a certain heart rate level before it will respond well to the rest of the workout. Tip 93. Don't carry your wireless phone or cell phone with you. If it rings, go walk for it. There are so many conveniences in life and we always have everything we need at our fingertips, but this is obviously bad for the waistline. Tip 94. If you're standing around, stretch your legs a bit by standing up on your toes and then gradually drop to your heels. You can also flex your buttock muscles as well, but maybe when nobody else is looking. Tip 95. Before going to bed, undress and stare at yourself in front of the mirror. Take note of what areas you need to improve on and what areas are your best assets. Taking a self-inventory can keep you motivated in your workout endeavors. Also, don't forget to compliment yourself on any new muscle tone you may have or other improvements you've made. Tip 96. Don't slouch in your chair. Try to sit up straight and erect at all times. Slouching is bad for your back and gives you a flabby figure. Make it a point to always sit and stand with good posture. Tip 97. Most people would like to target their stomachs and get rid of that area altogether. Unfortunately, we can't spot reduce. But one thing you can do is a breathing exercise to help tighten those stomach muscles. Breathe in air as strong as you can and tuck your stomach at the same time as much as you can. Hold it for a few seconds and then slowly let it out. Don't let it out so fast that your belly flops out. This is not good. Try to breathe like this whenever you think about it. About 50 to 60 times a day is ideal. This will help you to lose at least an inch within 20 days or so. Tip 98. Use a chart, such as the one below, to assist you in your weight loss endeavors. This chart shows you how many calories each of these common exercises burn based on 20 minutes. From this chart, you can see that walking is a great way to get exercise. If you're too busy to do any of the other exercises, a good walk is a good start. Tip 99. Don't discourage yourself from exercising and eating right by wearing clothes that don't fit. If you're a medium, wear a medium. Wearing the wrong types of clothes can make you appear larger than you really are. This includes workout wear as well. If you wear clothes that fit now, you get to go shopping later for smaller clothes, and you can sell your slightly worn larger clothes in a consignment shop, or you can take them to Goodwill to be given to someone who can use them. Tip 100. One of the easiest ways to lose weight without feeling deprived is to slow down while eating. It takes about 20 minutes for your brain to register fullness, so if you eat too quickly, you might overeat before realizing you're full. Chew your food thoroughly, put your fork down between bites, and savor every flavor. Studies show that mindful eating can reduce calorie intake and prevent binge eating. Plus, by eating slower, you improve digestion and actually enjoy your meals more. Next time you eat, try taking smaller bites and appreciating each one. You'll likely eat less and feel more satisfied. That's it for today's episode of 100 Weight Loss Tips. But we're just getting started. This is the part 6 and last part of our Ultimate Weight Loss series, and there's so much more to cover. Want to learn even more powerful tips to speed up fat loss, boost metabolism, and stay motivated? Check out the full playlist. It's packed with everything you need to transform your body and achieve lasting results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next part. Now that you've got some powerful tools for burning fat, if you're ready to take it to the next level, check out my recommended resources below. The Custom Keto Diet, the Smoothie Diet, and Eat Stop Eat are all specially designed programs that help you reach your goals faster. Just click the links in the description to find the one that's best for you and get started on your journey to a healthier, fitter you. Let's make those goals a reality.